I can't fucking wait till I have my own place. Holy. What is up? What is up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Auntie Liz here, back with another sneaker unboxing, as you can tell by the title. But hold up, before we get to that, let me show y'all something real quick. And we're back. Yes. Look at my hair. So yeah, I did dye my hair. That was my first time dyeing my hair. Crazy. I'm about to post a video on that. If not, it should be already out by now. But hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Auntie Liz here, and today we got another sneaker unboxing. Yes, we do. I now have the Lightning 4s here in hands. Look at how pretty the box is. We'll get into that in a bit, but I just wanted to say what's up, y'all. Hey. So yeah, as I am filming this, we're actually had like 130 subs, which is freaking amazing. It just keeps climbing, and I'm just so glad that y'all are here with me and like enjoying all my videos, because it's just crazy to me. But yeah, I just wanted to thank y'all for that, for the views, for everything. I just want to share with y'all like what I like, and I guess we all like the same things, and that's why we're here. So yeah, thank you guys again, and let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, here is the shoe. Here she is. Here we have the Jordan Lightning 4 2021. As you guys can see, they did a little remix of their OG box. Here I have the regular box. These are for my fire reds. Usually it's the paint splatter with the red lid. With the black lid with the red lettering, and then the white font under it. And then, but here we have that same gray black paint splatter speckled cement pattern, but on the lid it's actually yellow to match the color of the shoe. And this is actually not black, but it matches the gray on the shoe as well. And then the font, little text right here, is in white. So opening up the box, let me just open it up and then pull out the shoe. So here she is. Here is the 2021 Jordan Lightning 4. It is apparently a Durabuck material. It is not suede. It is not velvet. It's Durabuck, which I didn't know was a certain material, but now probably a lot of my shoes are like that Durabuck material, or something that could be explained like a Durabuck. But yeah, it's like this softness, almost like a suede, almost like a velvet. It doesn't have that texture, how you could see the texture on a suede shoe, but it does have that velvety feel. So it's somewhere in between, so I guess that is what Durabuck is. So yeah, we have the black netting on the end of the tongue right here, and also on both sides of the shoe. On the shoe. And actually, it has dark gray blue is what they call this color, because obviously it's not black. You guys could see that difference. This is a dark gray blue color. It goes on the sole as well. That goes all the way around the shoe, and then it has the white midsole, that OG white midsole. The dark gray blue is also shown here on the back with the Jordan logo. Honestly, I wish they kept it the Nike Air logo, because that would have been so sick. I think more people would have gravitated to the shoe more if they put the Nike Air logo here instead of the Jordan flight symbol, but that's okay. We can't be nitpicky about that. I'm just glad that they even retroed this shoe. I actually was talking to a homie probably like 6 months ago and was like, dude, that'd be crazy if they retroed this shoe, when I was looking at shoes to get. And then here it is. I spoke it into existence. So yeah, it actually has also black eyelets, but they're actually sort of transparent. They're not, if I pull up my fire reds, these are completely opaque, not transparent at all. You could see they're very, they're opaque. You can't see through it. But here, these are actually kind of transparent in a way. I don't know how to... Yeah, you guys see that? You could see the yellow in the bottom corner peeking through a little bit. Not too much, but it's kind of sick to me. I think that's a cool detail. It's not... I think it's a different way of adding different eyelets and different colors to the shoe itself. I thought that was a cool addition. Inside, actually... The sock lining is yellow, but under the tongue they actually added that same dark navy blue color and also made the tag yellow, which I thought was a cool detail as well. Same with the tongue tag, it has that dark gray blue that they described the shoe having, and then the Jordan Flight logo in white with the yellow font on the bottom with the yellow laces as well. If you guys didn't know, the OG is actually black instead of black detailing and black soles instead of this new gray blue color. But personally, I think I might like this gray blue color more. I'm not the biggest fan of the color black, but I think it adds a lot more dimension to the shoe. I think sometimes black can be such a strong color that it clashes with what you're wearing, and it kind of, to me, it kind of almost looks corny, but I think that this gray definitely brings out a neutralness to the shoe that makes it easier to wear, in my opinion. Of course, black can match with anything, but I think adding this gray blue is actually a way for people to be more creative with their fits, because now you could match it to a gray. You can still match it to black because there's still black detailing, but I think it definitely sets a sense of neutralness to the shoe because it is a yellow shoe. It's so bold, it's so loud. The black obviously makes it, the OG black colors obviously would make it stick out more, but having this gray to kind of centralize the shoe definitely, I think, makes it easier to wear. Nothing special here on the tongue tab, so I didn't mention it. I am so grateful to have these shoes. I'm actually, like I said, I was literally telling a homie 6 months ago, dude, I would love to have those, and here we are. But yeah, just super crazy to see things come full circle. I'm ready for this 4s hype. I've been wanting 4s, and now I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 pairs of 4s in a span of a freaking year, so I hope the 4s hype continues. So yeah, with that being said, let me show y'all how I would style this shoe. You heard me. So that was it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed another sneaker unboxing from me, because I definitely did. This might be I was gonna say this might be one of my favorite comps, but we might have to wait for another video for me to decide that. But thank you guys for watching along. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, hope there was some inspo. Hopefully I provided y'all with some info, because I learn a lot from these videos and I hope you guys do too. Thank you for subscribing, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me your favorite maybe tell me your favorite sneaker video so far too. Let me know down in the comments below. But also make sure you tell your friends, tell your cousins, tell your aunties, tell your dogs, and tell your side hoes too about your girl, Auntie Liz. More love and more life always. Deuces! Ah!